Best gaming laptops under 1.5 lakh. From ROG, we are covering the Zephyrus G40. It has AMD Ryzen 9 series processor. It has a graphic card of NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 8GB. Its screen size is 14 inches with OLED ROG Nebula display. It has a refresh rate of 120Hz. Its memory is starting from 16GB RAM with 512 SSD. From Alienware, we are covering the M16R2. It has an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor. It has a graphic card of NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 6GB. Its memory type is starting from 16GB RAM with 512 SSD. It has a screen size of 16 inches. It also has English US Alien FX RGB backlight Alienware M series keyboard. From Acer, we are covering the Predator Helios Neo 60. It has an Intel Core i7 14th generation processor. In this laptop, Microsoft Office is pre-installed. It has a display of 16 inches with IPS display. It has a graphic card of NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 with 6GB. Its memory is up to 32GB RAM with 512GB SSD. From MSI, we are covering the Stealth 16 AI Studio. It has a first generation Intel Core Ultra 7 processor. Its display is 16.2 inches with quad high definition plus resolution. Its memory type is starting from 16GB RAM with 512GB SSD. It has a graphic card of NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 8GB. From HP, we are covering the Omen 16. It has a AMD Ryzen 9S series processor. Its display is 16.1 inches with full high definition resolution with full 65Hz refresh rate. It has a graphic card of NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 8GB. Its memory type is starting from 16GB RAM with 512GB SSD. It also has a backlight RGB 4-zone keyboard.